Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create 3D text in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. And the first menu that will greet you is the composition menu where you can get started with creating your composition. So go ahead and select the quality of your composition, fill out all the info that you need, click OK, and after that we can get started right here by opening up a project that we already have, or we can go ahead and create a new project. So guys, after you have added your project, and now let's say you want to add some 3D text to your project right here. This is exactly how we can do so. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and add the text using the horizontal type tool right here at the top of the screen. So you can go ahead and type out what you want. So let's say we want to type out tutorial. So guys, as you can see, this is going to create the layers of our text right here. So we will need multiple layers to use the 3D effect. So after you have added your layers right here and you have your text, now we can get started with the 3D effect. So if you look at the right side of the screen, we can see all the options we can access, and one of them is effects and presets. So you want to go ahead and click on effects and presets. Click on effects and presets, and now guys, what we can do is go ahead and search for the text options. We can search 3D. So after searching 3D guys, you can see under the text option is a 3D text effect that we can get started with using. So you can see we have a lot of options right here that we can go ahead and try out. So you want to go ahead and enter in any of the effects right here to try them out and see how they work. So start adding effects to your text right here, play around with it until you get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.